Thunderstorm was located over Lovejoy, or 8 miles south of Jonesboro, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Griffin, McDonough, Fayetteville, Jonesboro, Peachtree City, Stockbridge, Riverdale, Hampton, Tyrone, Lovejoy, Locust Grove, Sonoy, Brooks, Jenkinsburg, Sharpsburg, Turin, Harrelson, Woolsey, Sunnyside, and East Griffin. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta.